In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo in Shopify. Having a distinctive logo can play a crucial role in establishing your brand's identity, and sometimes you might need to update it to better reflect your business. Whether you've redesigned your logo or you're launching a new branding strategy, I'm here to make this process as seamless as possible for you. First and foremost, you'll need to access your Shopify site editor. This is the hub for all your customization needs within your online store. Once you're logged into your Shopify account, keep an eye on the left side of your screen. This is where your main navigation tools are hosted. When you locate the left panel, you'll notice a gear icon nestled among the options. This icon represents the theme settings for your site. It may seem straightforward, but it's vital to ensure you're in the right place to make any branding changes. Once you click on this gear icon, you'll unlock a series of customization options designed to help you make your site truly yours. As you continue, you'll see an option specifically labeled as Logo. This section is dedicated to your brand imagery and is your go-to spot for replacing your current logo. Within the logo settings, you'll be able to see your existing logo prominently displayed. Now comes the straightforward part. If you need to remove the existing logo, there's typically a clear button or function that allows you to detach it from your site. This removal process is swift, ensuring that there aren't many hurdles to jump over when you need a new visual. With the old logo out of the way, you're ready to upload your new branding image. You can usually select a file from your computer or any preferred storage location you use, like a cloud service. Just make sure that the image file is in a format that's compatible with Shopify. PNG and JPEG are commonly supported and will ensure your logo appears sharp across all devices. Upon uploading, you'll find that Shopify often provides a quick preview so you can immediately see how it looks. And just like that, you've successfully updated your store's logo. While this task seems finished, it's always a good idea to preview your entire site to view how the new logo fits in with the overall aesthetic. Checking different pages and perhaps even testing on various devices ensures that everything looks just right. So there you have it. You've learned how to change the logo in Shopify with ease. These small yet impactful updates can significantly enhance user experience and keep your site looking fresh and aligned with your brand image. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. Happy customizing!